Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a power bank which costed me only 100 rupees. So what I got was this power bank and this small cable, and believe it or not, it works fine. It charges my phone a bit slow, but it does the work. It has got these battery indicators and 3 USB ports, and it also has a torch light which works fine. So I bought it from a roadside vendor. You know those people that carry a small bags and they sell you pen drives and stuff? Now they've started selling these things also. I was a bit skeptical, and he was asking for 600. I just said 100 and he gave it to me without any bargain. So I got it and I was curious to know what was in it because it was charging my phone perfectly. So I thought I would just diagnose it and see what's actually inside. And it says 35,000 mAh. I can tell you that it's not over 1500 also. That was apparent when I started charging my phone, because after only 25% of charging my phone, it was down to the last bar. So now I will open it. I've already opened it, and it also has a lot of weight. So I thought it would have a metal bar inside to make it heavy, but even that was not true. When I opened it, I was pretty shocked to see what was inside. So now I'll show you. I've already opened it from the side, so I can just open it. Now see, here you go. So it's a eyeball mobile battery, a pretty old battery, 1250 mAh, and you can see this is clay. They were using it to make it heavy. So I just take it out. See, it's all clay, just a small battery. Now for 100 rupees it's not bad. Even with these fake items and this scam, I would say it's decent for 100 rupees, because 1200 mAh is not a lot. It can't even charge 30% of your phone. But what it can do is, if it was compact, like, but if I would remove this battery from here and somehow make it this only this big, it is a pretty small and light charger which I can keep it in my pocket and use it for emergencies when a phone dies out. So if it was like that and was selling for 100 rupees, I would say they could sell even more instead of scamming people. But it is what it is. It's working, so it's not a total bust. I got my 100 rupees worth. It's pretty useless in most cases, but I would say for emergency purposes it's good. If you don't want to spend the money on a power bank and you have this thing lying around, you have to go out for a day, I would say this would work for you. If your phone dies out and you have to make emergency calls, this thing can help you a lot. So for 100 rupees I would say it's okay. It works. What else do you need? 1200 mAh, it will get you around 20% of battery. Even that is good. 20-25% of battery will last you a lot if you want to make calls. Thanks for watching this video, guys.